Hello everyone, this is Naina and I welcome you on my channel Baby Cloud. So before starting this video, I wish you all happy Diwali and stay healthy, stay happy. So this video is based on First Cry shopping haul, so that I made for because there was huge discount going on for Diwali offer. So I decided why not to show you all this shopping haul for review purpose. So while shopping, I decided that I should buy the thing that is only necessary and useful for her, and not to invest more because only it is Diwali. So let me show you the cute packaging that I received for this Diwali boxes. So let's open this one by one. So first, I got this night dress for my daughter. So it's for size 2 to 3 years. So prices I will drop in the description box. So this cute little night dress with having some stars, and the material is cotton, so I really like this dress so much. So it's one pant and shirt, so it's very cute dress. And the next for Diwali, I bought a simple yet festive frock. So this is not exactly cotton but mix of silk and cotton. See, it's very simple, easy to wear, so I really like this design. And the next one I bought her is soap. I prefer this teddy bar soap for her because it makes her skin very fluffy and soft, and it's also useful for dry skin babies because it having glycerin content on this. So I really like this soap. Next one, I bought this Mama Earth massage oil. Even though she is 1 year and 6 months old, I prefer to have massage for her. So I bought this Mama Earth massage oil. It's Indian brand, so I preferred this one only. Earlier I used Himalaya also. So this time I decided why not to try Mama Earth. So let's see how it works. So next one, I bought this Mimi comb. So it's a pair, and is it having some round edge corners which is very soft for hairs. The next one is Colgate. So it's with a fruity flavor. It's for specially made for 0 to 2 years babies. So the first time I started using Colgate for her because she had it in very lately. I mean, after 1 year and 6 months she started getting teeth. So I decided why not to start with the toothbrush and toothpaste. So let's see how it works for her. So the next one is this Mimi Soft powder puff. So actually she already have one, so I decided to upgrade that one, and I personally love the Mimi brand because they have good quality of. So one can see they have very soft puff for this powder. So I personally like this. Then the next one, I bought this Baby Hug cabinet lag. So for her safety, to attach this to my dressing table and overall furniture, I bought this. Earlier also we had so many pairs, but this time we also required so many things, so I decided to bought some more. And the next one is this Sentence Master. So actually this is gift for my nephew on this Diwali. So he is 5 years old and he just started learning some sentence making. So I decided to bought some puzzles based on this so that he can enjoy this. And the next one is this Mama Earth Easy Tummy Roll On. So actually this is the hing and fennel oil. Whenever in night time or daytime babies are suffering with the gases and coding, so this is very easy to apply. I mean, this is the traditional method to apply some hing on tummy. So I mean, it's very hygienic and it's very easy to apply. So you can see, I mean, in night time most of time we actually avoid to prepare this thing. So I decided why not to take this is handy one. So I like this packaging. And the next one that my baby liked the most one, let me show you, is this baby bat toy. So actually I love this baby. I was searching for this thing for so many days, and when I received this, I was very happy and satisfied because the quality wise it's very good, and the face expressions are also very good on this. So the last but not the least is diaper. Of course, this is the mandatory one for all First Cry haul. So I ordered this Pampers Premium Care pant. So from her burn actually I am using the premium care only. So because this suits her very. So that's it. Box is empty. So let me know in the comment section what are the things that you order for your children's. And I know it's not a huge first cry haul, but only the necessary things that I order for my daughter. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please press the like button and please press the subscribe button in the below section. So thank you so much. Happy Diwali once again.